All right, it is March, which means spring is around the corner. Means it's a good time to do some weed prevention. Got some weeds I'm going to have to pick out myself by hand. But it's also a good time to be thinking about the patio. Getting this used again. And what I want to do is I want to adjust the feet of my patio furniture to protect the patio. And the product I'm going to be using are these glides. They're called Forever Glides. And I am just going to slip them on the bottom so they can be moved around really easily and not scratch up any of the stone. I haven't had a problem so far, but the patio is only 2 years old, so maybe after some more wear and tear, they could start putting little nicks in the stones. These lightweight chairs, I don't have to worry about. I can slide these around. They already have something smooth at the bottom that let them glide around, and they're so lightweight that with those, there'll be no issue. Now, these are metal chairs. They're big and heavy. So we're just going to flip them over upside down. You can see at one point there was some plastic protection on some of these. In some cases, just the edge remains. So here are my slides that come with a sticky and a plastic piece. Okay, anytime I find one of these plastic things, I'm just going to use one of these hook tools like this to try to pry it out. You can see what happened over time. The furniture here is actually really old. I got it off of a co-worker who gave it away when he moved, and then I took some time to refurbish it and respray it. But these old plastic sliders have broken down and fallen in, so they don't protect anymore. Gosh, I probably could take out these side rings too. I really don't need to, but I have the tool. I'm gonna get the best stick. I'm just gonna wash out the bottom here. I'm noticing a little bit of rust spots on here, so I'm just going to lightly touch up this. And then at this point, I can move on to the other chairs and bring them over. Now, if I notice any part of the chair that needs a little bit of touch-up outside of the bottom feet, I can get that taken care of and sprayed as well while I have the spray out. Okay. So now we're going to do the same thing here. Let's prop them out. And just like before, I'm going to dry off the feet, make sure they're nice and dry, and then come back with the rust treatment and spray them down. Alright, now I can start putting these on all of the feet. So I probably could have gone one size larger. I went with a smaller size just in anticipation that I couldn't get the existing plastic rings around the side out, but I was able to. So I really probably should have gone with one size larger, but I do think these will hold up. And now it's just a matter of putting our sticky sponge-like material on the feet of the chair, and then removing the paper, and then placing our skid pad on top of that sticky sponge. Okay, so we got our last one down on here. And now we are good. Put them back, put some weight on them, see how they do. So I just want to drop this here. Put a little weight. And now they slide around and won't scratch. Now I probably should have gone one size up. Would have made it a little less likely for these to come off over time, but it looks like this is working okay. And there we go. Done for March. They come with enough for 6 chairs, so I have a bunch left over. 8 of them left over that I could use in the future if I needed to, or replace the existing ones over there.